We're in the greater suburbs of Brisbane. This is a suburb called Newbeath. This customer is looking for a larger system. We have three-phase supply to the property, larger shed, bigger house, more people in the house. So we've gone oversize on this location. So 17 kilowatts of solar on a 15 kilowatt inverter. We're maximising the return on investment here. These guys are being credited each quarter. The solar's a long game, so this is a long-term investment for them to give them the benefits of the system for a long period of time. So 330 watt panels, 52 panels, which gets them just a touch over 17 kilowatts. So we've got a 15 kilowatt three-phase inverter limit. This site also does have a single-phase Tesla Powerwall 2 to give a bit more self-consumption and also give single-phase blackout protection for the property. This is their forever house. The end game here is the solar in its own right. Without the battery, it'd probably be a 4 or 5 year payback. As soon as you include a battery, you lengthen that payback period. So we're lengthening the solar and battery together to a 6 or 7 year payback. Excellent savings here though. This is a large home, ducted air. You know, it could be looking at a bill of $800 to $1,200 a quarter. With the system we've got and the battery we've got here, we can get that down to zero. It's a win-win for the network as well. You know, this is distributed solar within this estate. The demand that this estate creates on the network during the day is a lot less than it would be without solar. So it's a win for the network. It's also a win on the carbon footprint of the property. You know, these are big houses out here with big loads. We're reducing their dependence on the grid. We're reducing their dependence on fossil fuel, and we're producing our own power within our own property to make us more self-sufficient.